Hey parents, is your teen still stuck at the 600 level on the math SAT? Frustrated, burnt out? Yes, SAT burnout is a real thing. I'm going to show you exactly how I get my students to a 700 plus on the math SAT using a method called working smart, not hard. My name is Annette. I've helped countless students get to a 700 plus on the math SAT with confidence and less than test anxiety. So the math SAT allows you to use this built-in calculator called Desmos. Now, Desmos is an absolute game changer for the SAT if you know how to use it. And 99% of kids have no idea. So let's jump right into it. What percent of 300 is 75? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the percentages. 25% of shift 5. 300 is 75, the answer choice is A. Simple as that. What is the solution to the given equation? I'm going to go ahead and plot in the function and see where the x-intercepts are. There's one at 30, negative 30. The answer here has to be 30. Linear equations, graphs, and tables. Which equation defines f of x? You're basically just looking for which equation has these points. Now, I love doing this. Super easy. All you're going to do is plot the points, and you're basically just going to match the points to the graph. Now, the graph has to cross through those points, and look at that. The answer choice is A. Any equation question, variable question, you can go and plug in right away. If x over 8 is equal to 5, what is the value of 8 over x? So you got 40 for the value of x. 8 divided by 40 is 0.2. The answer is 0.2. Systems of equations are actually one of the easiest questions to use with Desmos. All you have to do is literally plot it exactly how it looks. You're looking for the intersection point and the value of y specifically. The value of y here is 80. The answer is 80. Let's take system of equations up a little bit. Now here, there's a system of equations here, but the only condition is they're saying that the graphs intersect at exactly only one point. So I'm going to do is plot this, and I want to see where the graphs can actually intersect at that point, just one point. Now, let's see. If I move it to the left at about negative 8, negative 9, around there, I can see that there's one intersection going on here. Now, they're asking me what is the value of x in that intersection region? Well, it goes from 5 to 6, so we can say that the value of x would be 6. The answer choice is C. This is actually super fun also with the inequalities. You're looking for which system of inequalities has the point 82 in its solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually graph the inequalities, and I'm going to look for where the overlapping region is. And here it's like that dark purple, and that point is in there. So the answer choice is A. What if you want to evaluate a function at a specific point? Well, it's saying what is the value of f of 0? So that means plug in x equals 0. Simple as that. I would literally just plot to the power of 0. The answer is 270D. Then you have quadratics, one of the most popular topics on the SAT. This comes up on every single SAT. You will never miss it. So we're looking for the positive solutions to the given equation. There's only one here that's positive. The other one is negative. And again, you're looking for anything that crosses that x-axis. 2.25 is the equivalent of, we shall see, 9 over 4. The answer is B. Desmos is amazing for hard questions. Questions past 20 are usually typically the hardest and could take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes, and we don't have that time. So the equation here below is a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and plot the circle, and I know that there is another circle that's then shifted down 2 units. So I need to visually see that. I'm going to go ahead, process of elimination, and just plot the other answer choices and see if I see that shift. Definitely not here. This goes to the right too. Okay, so I'm going to go with the second choice. Just keep kind of going through the process, seeing if there's a visual representation. Definitely not. I'm going to skip to D. And what I will see on this circle is there's an actual shift down. So the answer is D. If you love these SAT math hacks like my students do, and you want your team to get to the 700 plus mark, click the link below, book a free strategy session, and I will personally hop on the phone with you and we can talk strategy for your team. Can't wait to see you there.